In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine videos on Wave.video. By the end, you'll have a single, polished video made from multiple clips, perfect for sharing anywhere. First, start a new project. Log into your account, click the Create button, and choose either Blank Video if you want an empty canvas, or Upload Video if you're starting with files right away. Before you jump in, choose a format that matches where you'll post the final video. For YouTube, 16:9 is ideal. For TikTok or Reels, go with 9:16. You can switch formats later, but picking the right ratio up front helps avoid unexpected cropping. Next, upload your video clips. Click Upload Files and bring in all the footage you want to combine from your computer. If you're short on B-roll or need extra visuals, you can also browse the stock library and select clips that fit your theme. Give the uploads a moment to process, and try to keep your clips in similar resolutions for a cleaner final look. Once your clips are uploaded, you'll see them in the media library. Drag and drop each clip into the timeline at the bottom in the order you want them to play. If you change your mind, simply click and drag a clip left or right to rearrange it. Use the playhead to preview the flow as you go, and aim for a sequence that tells a clear story from start to finish. To smooth out the jumps between clips, add transitions if you like. Click the plus icon or the transition icon between two clips on the timeline, then choose a style such as cross dissolve, wipe, or zoom. Subtle transitions usually keep things professional, so stick to one or two styles for consistency and preview to make sure they support your pacing. Now trim and refine. Click any clip in the timeline and drag the side handles to shorten it, removing extra pauses or shaky starts. Keep your edits tight and purposeful. If you want background music across all clips, go to the Audio tab and upload an MP3. Adjust the music volume so it complements your footage without overpowering dialogue or important sounds, and fade it in and out for a smooth start and finish. When everything looks and sounds right, it's time to export. Click the Publish button in the top right, select Video, and choose your preferred resolution, like 1080p for high quality sharing. Wait for the rendering to finish, then click Download to save your single, combined file to your computer. That's it, your videos are now seamlessly combined and ready to share.